Have you ever wondered what a single conversation could do to transform your life? Imagine meeting someone so wise, so full of insight, that their words shift your entire perspective. Today, we share the story of a woman who found herself lost in routine, only to rediscover love, purpose, and passion in the most unexpected way. Stay with us, because what you're about to hear could be the key to unlocking a new you. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your support means the world, and together, we can inspire more people to create positive change. And if you find this message valuable, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Yes, if you're ready for transformation, or no, if you think change isn't possible. Let's get started. Sophia's search for meaning. Sophia had everything she thought she wanted. A stable life, a loving husband, a home filled with memories. But something was missing. The connection, the excitement, the spark, it had faded. It wasn't that love had disappeared. It was simply buried beneath years of routine and unspoken emotions. One evening, as she sat watching the sunset, an old memory surfaced. Her grandmother had once told her about a wise woman who lived in a distant village. "If you ever feel lost," her grandmother had said, "seek her wisdom." Back then, Sophia had laughed it off. But now, she was ready to listen. So, with nothing but hope in her heart, she packed her bags and set off on a journey that would change everything. The unexpected guide. After miles of travel, she arrived at a small, ivy-covered cottage. The air smelled of herbs and old books, and time seemed to move slower here. As she knocked on the wooden door, it creaked open to reveal an elderly woman with silver hair and warm, knowing eyes. "You've come a long way," the woman said, her voice soft yet strong. "Come in." As they sat by the fire, Sophia opened her heart. "I love my husband, but I feel like we're just going through the motions. We talk, but we don't connect. I miss the closeness, the passion. I don't know how we got here, and I don't know how to fix it." The woman nodded. "You are not alone in this. Many people wake up one day and realize they've been living life on autopilot. But here's the truth. Love, passion, and purpose never fade on their own. We simply stop tending to them. The good news? You can bring them back. The secret to transformation." Sophia leaned in, eager to hear more. "Life," the woman said, "is like a fire. It needs fuel. If you stop feeding it, the flame dims. But if you nurture it, if you add just a little more care, attention, and spontaneity, it will burn brighter than ever." Sophia thought about her marriage, about how routine had replaced excitement. "How do I fix it?" she asked. The woman smiled. "Start with small shifts. When was the last time you truly listened to your husband? Not just to respond, but to understand. When was the last time you did something unexpected, something just for the joy of it?" Sophia's mind raced. It had been a long time. "Love and passion," the woman continued, "aren't about grand gestures. They're built in the small moments. A lingering touch. A compliment out of nowhere. A deep conversation about dreams, fears, and memories. These little things matter more than you realize." Breaking free from routine. Sophia's heart pounded. She had been waiting for her husband to change. But maybe, just maybe, she needed to be the change. "Most people think transformation requires massive action," the woman said. "But real change? It starts with small, daily choices. Reconnect emotionally. Ask deeper questions. Share your thoughts, your dreams, your fears. Show appreciation. A simple, 'I love you,' or 'you mean the world to me,' can reignite lost intimacy. Be playful. Tease, laugh, and rediscover the joy of being together. Create new experiences. Routine kills passion. Do something unexpected. Take a trip, try a new activity, dance in the kitchen just because." Sophia wiped a tear from her cheek. "I see it now. I've been waiting for things to change without realizing I hold the power to make them change." The woman smiled. "Exactly. The new beginning." Sophia left that small cottage feeling lighter, freer, and more alive than she had in years. When she returned home, she didn't wait for her husband to notice. She became the change. She listened more deeply, touched more often, and spoke with more warmth. Slowly, like embers turning to flame, The connection she thought was lost began to return. And you? Maybe you're waiting for change. Maybe you feel stuck. But here's the truth. You have the power to transform your life, your relationships, and your future. It starts with small choices. It starts today. If this message resonates with you, take a moment right now. Send a heartfelt message to someone you love. Do something unexpected. Be the spark that reignites the fire. Because change doesn't happen someday. It happens now. If you're ready to start your journey, comment below, "I choose change." Let's inspire each other to live fully, love deeply, and embrace the beauty of transformation. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing insights, and if you found value in this, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Together, we can make the world a little brighter, one small shift at a time.